Are you looking for the best aluminum welders? In this video we will look at some of the best aluminum welders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hobart Handler 140 MIG. MIG welders are a great option when it comes to working with sheet aluminum, and this Hobart Handler stands out as a quality machine. It has a 5-position voltage control that gives the user complete power over the smoothness of the arc and adjustments for the thickness of the sheet aluminum. It means you can fine-tune your welder to cater to thinner material or work on 0.25-inch thick metal at the other end of the spectrum. It has an industrial-grade, cast aluminum drive system, and a heavy-duty work clamp to give the handler industrial performance capabilities. It operates from a domestic power supply, and the wire feed is an impressive 40 to 700 inches per minute. The stainless steel casing makes this a robust and reliable welder. It meets the industrial demands of the construction site and is the type of welder that will last for years. Number 2. DEKOPRO 110/220V. Inverters are the new replacement version of transformers, enabling you to regulate the quality of the arc and the heat better. Inverters are more efficient and precise. However, they don't have the same capacity handling load that transformers do, so you might be limited to workload. This stick welder is suitable for welding aluminum, mild steel, stainless steel, and other non-ferrous materials. It is a go-anywhere welder, weighing just 12.1 pounds. It makes it the ideal welder if you are looking to take your skills on the road. The package comes with a stick torch, power adapter, wire brush and earth clamp. Inverters are more efficient than transformers as a means of controlling the accuracy of the heat and the arc. Also, inverters are lighter and more advanced, so they can deal with adjustments more rapidly. Number 3. Forney Easy Weld 261 FC. This is a MIG welder, so it is the easiest method to learn, making it ideal for beginners. It has a maximum output of 140 amps and a 120V input. It is also a gasless, flux-cored welder, so again, if you are learning the ropes, you don't have to pay out for expensive gas canisters. It also makes it an easier process to learn. This welder has infinite voltage and wire speed control to regulate the welding rate. It is ultra-lightweight, compact and easy to store away, making it the ideal choice for hobbyists and DIY enthusiast welders working from the garage or home workshop. These welders are easy to set up and pack away, taking up a minimum amount of room space, making them ideal for the home market. Being lightweight and compact is a major bonus. Number 4. VIVOHOME. While this might not be the lightest welder, it is a gasless version, so it requires no shielding to produce good quality welds. For that reason, it is a great option when traveling to and from job sites. The gasless feature means that the flux-cored wire self-releases metal inert gas from the welding process that prevents oxidation of the weld. You can switch between MIG and gasless, depending on the material type, but it does give you the flexibility to work outdoors. It has 4 levels of current flow and 10 welding speeds, so you can increase the welding rate as you improve your accuracy depending on the thickness of the aluminum. This welder comes with everything you need to get started. It even comes with a welding face shield and several other useful accessories.